Hello and welcome back to Diamond Food Review. Today, it's going to be Arby's Big Cheesy Bacon Burger. America's roast beef, yes sir, or yes ma'am, depends on who's watching. So, just got back with it, and it's a brand new sandwich they came out with, and it's actually going to be out just for the summer. It's a limited item, so it comes with a crispy bacon, American and Swiss cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles, and their special sauce. Who doesn't use a special sauce? All on a toasted bun. So let's dive into it and see what it looks like. Still sealed in the bag. So the only thing came off was a receipt. Had my name on it. Let's see how big this is. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. And it's warm, very warm. Big packaging there. I paid $8.18 for this. So, it's definitely slopped together here. Well, the first thing I smell really is the bacon. These food reviews, you only have a one-shot deal at this. It is. Get this out of the way. And there's definitely a lot of sauce on there. So let me see if I can hold this thing up. As you can see, it's a huge burger. Now, Arby's is really known for their roast beef, and periodically they come out with these special type of burgers. Really, it's a competition thing. And it doesn't look like there's any mayonnaise on this. So let's open it up. There's the bacon on there. There's supposed to be 6 pieces of bacon, from my understanding. And you can see the Swiss cheese right there on the edge. And then it's the American cheese. The lettuce is shredded lettuce on the bottom. And let's see the onions. And let's see where the onions are at. Well, I can't see the onions. I'll see if I can taste them when I dive into it. And definitely on their special sauce. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a crosscut section. And let's see what we can, without the whole thing falling apart. I feared the whole thing would definitely start falling apart. Take a look at the inside of it. Well, as you can see, the only thing that worries me is that the beef on the inside there is a little pink. So I'm not sure if I really want to bite into that section. So, and let's take a look at the other side. The other side is basically the same thing, but the whole thing is beginning to fall apart. So if you actually get this burger, make sure you have a plate. So let's dive into it. I'll dive in at this section where I can see some of the tomatoes and then the cheese right there on the edge. Another bite. Mm-hmm. Now, just chewing into that section, the first thing I taste is definitely the bacon, along with the cheese and the tomatoes. The burger itself, the meat, the beef patty doesn't have too much of a taste to it. I'm not sure if it's because it's too tender. It is a little pink on the inside, so I'm not sure if I really want to bite into that section. Mm-mm. Now, give me a sip of water. I'm not tasting. I'm not tasting any of the onions. I'm tasting a lot of the bacon and the cheese. So the $1 million question is with it being that pink on the inside, would you bite into that? Let me know in the comments if you would. So I'm going to do another cross-section bite off to the side here with this other piece. Now that piece I could taste more of the beef, but right up at the top is the bacon. It's good. I just wish that it was well done a little bit more. I don't think I'm going to eat it because the beef patty isn't fully cooked. Um, I'm not sure if you order it from Arby's, if you can request for the beef patty to be fully cooked. I didn't see it as an option. I would just assume that when they make the beef patty, it's cooked all the way through. I'm not sure if it'll even harm me, but I don't want to take any chances if it's not fully cooked. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a 7, simply because of that reason. Um, other than that, it's good. I can taste that special sauce that they have on there. Again, it comes with crispy bacon, American, and Swiss cheese. Those two items I really taste. The lettuce is a given. The tomatoes, the onions, I don't taste any of the onions. I tasted one pickle, and then the special sauce. I taste a lot of that. So there you have it, folks. That's my review of the Arby's big cheesy bacon burger. So thank you for tuning in, and God bless. See you next time.